Oh, here's Precious Piper in the office in the morning. Look at this. We're doing it from a different view today. Kind of close to the view that she'd have. Look at her looking out here and seeing these different things there. Turn on the light. Yeah, we can see her better. Look at that. Things on the floor again. I'm not even sure what all that is. Now, first she's going to do an inspection of the supply closet. This is real nice. This is almost like having a GoPro on her. Now she's going to check. Oh, she's going to do her nails on the tuffet. That's good. She's doing her tuffeting. Yeah. Now she has to check the bags sitting around. What are those? Are those some more things from boxes or what? Yeah, that's what it looks like. A box strap. That's always a favorite of hers. Yeah, she's not sure what to do. Get after somebody to clean up the bags or just enjoy her box strap. I guess she's going to go with the box strap. Yeah, that's more interesting. Somebody else can clean up the bags. There she goes. Yeah, she's doing her teeth right now. Yeah, she keeps her teeth well exercised. Hmm. Well, back to the box strap again. Okay, we'll let her get situated this morning.